Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you explanation of the manual parameter recipe operation page and panel functions of the 6-side wrapping machine. Manual page. To operate, you must first switch the control mode to the manual page. The corresponding indicator light will flash yellow. The function buttons on this page will only function in manual mode. Common functions, including upper seam heating, upper seam cylinder, and pusher cylinder, can be operated from the manual page. Functions not configured do not need to be configured. In addition, the page displays the pusher position, forward and reverse, in real time, making it easy to confirm the value during machine adjustment. Unwind control supports forward and reverse rotation, and the factory default setting is 20 Hz. Parameter settings page. 2 key points to note. One, air vent heating time. This setting must be adjusted based on the film thickness. For film thicknesses between 1.0 and 1.1 mm, the heating time is approximately 1 second. For thicker films, such as 1.2, 1.3, or even 1.5 mm, the heating time may need to be extended. Two, corner cutting time. This setting is used to blow film into the corners during sealing, making the package more square and aesthetically pleasing. This can generally be kept consistent with the heating time. Function page. Push cylinder. Some models are equipped with a push cylinder that can be retracted to increase film loading space. It supports 1.5 meter or 1.8 meter film rolls. Film roll direction switching. Film roll direction may vary between manufacturers. This feature allows for a one-touch switch between forward and reverse rotation for added user-friendliness. Communication function. Used to check whether communication between the touchscreen and the PLC is functioning properly. This function can be disabled after debugging. Other pages. System monitoring. View sensor input/output status in real time for debugging and troubleshooting. Historical alarms. Abnormal conditions such as insufficient temperature or inaccurate positioning will be displayed here for quick troubleshooting. Recipe settings. Three recipes are preset at the factory: small, medium, and large, corresponding to different lengths, widths, and height dimensions. Users can select a recipe directly or create a new one. When creating a new recipe, it is recommended to upload existing parameters first, then modify the differences. Length, width, and height are adjustable. If the dimensions differ significantly, the packaging speed may need to be adjusted accordingly to avoid instability. After making changes, be sure to click download for the parameters to take effect. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.